Hello my dear friends, here's one more video about DJI action camera accessories. So today we are going to talk about this filter. This is a polarized filter from K&F Concept Company. And here's the filter. You unscrew this standard filter from the camera and screw it back. It's all water resistant and stuff, but the thing is I never had problems with this brand because I'm using their filters for my cameras, but for in this particular filter I faced very major issue. When you use this filter with DJI Action 4, you have very strong vignetting, and that vignetting, it's not applied on the corners of the image, but it's kind of like, well, when you adjust the filter it goes all the way kind of around, but then you ended up having that dark line in the middle of the frame, so that's totally unusable for me. And unfortunately I got it from the official K&F Concept website, so I can't really return that. I wrote in my review, but it never appeared because probably it was like a bad review, 1 star, so they didn't post it. And yeah, if I would, as I mentioned in the review, if I bought it on Amazon, I would totally return it, but that's not possible, so it's kind of a waste of the money, I guess. So don't buy polarized filter for DJI Action 4 camera from their website. Maybe not at all, so maybe get it from Amazon, test it, and if you don't like it, return it. But yeah, just wanted to let you know.